we moved the new piglets up to the new house. So these are about 7 weeks old. So we're just starting to get used to the new pen. There's plenty of food in there, but not too much. Because obviously piglets can't eat a lot of food at once because they get stomach problems. The water is all the way up to the top. There is actually 12 piglets in there. But obviously, within the next week or two, we'll have the new runs built by you. So they'll be split up a bit. And there's a couple which go into new homes.